With ik.me, everyone can now create an email address at Infomaniak for free with a drive that respects privacy. This is a 100% Swiss alternative to GAFA that allows you to manage your emails in a good-looking interface with attachments up to 3 GB and 20 GB of storage just for your emails. It's not just an email address, but a complete mailbox system with your appointments, contacts and tasks, all online. And everything syncs easily with your devices. You can customize your interface any which way, and every ik.me address comes with 3 GB of K-Drive storage for sharing your documents, photos, and even collaborating in real time on your Word, Excel and PowerPoint files via public sharing links. At Infomaniak, the users aren't the product. Our business model is about safeguarding data, not selling it. We're developing our own ecosystem, so we never have to compromise on our values.